Welcome to Megan and Fitness. Thank you for clicking this video. Today we're going to go over my favorite calf stretch. As a former college strength and conditioning coach and currently being in the athletic training industry for over 10 years, I've put together the ultimate calf stretch. This calf stretch is not only is it great for calf pain or muscle soreness, but it's really beneficial from those suffering from plantar fasciitis, shin splints, heel pain, and calf tightness, and so much more. It's a follow along stretch. I recommend you doing this 3 to 5 times a week. Let's get to the video. Hey everyone, welcome back. What you are seeing here is the simple anatomy of the calf and tendon that we are about to stretch. Before we dive straight into the stretch, let's go over the setup. The first thing we want to do is have our toes on the wall. In the lunge position, make sure your back heel should remain on the ground during the stretch so you can get a double stretch. Your chest is up and facing the wall. Your hands are placed just outside, shoulder width apart. Make sure during this stretch that your hips are always facing the wall straight in front of you, because the tendency here is to open up your hips and turn your hips out when you're doing this exercise. This is a great time to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that bell button and give this video a thumbs up. To maximize the stretch, bring your knee forward towards the wall while keeping your back heel on the ground. It's okay if you can't do this. Do the best you can. Now, stretch with me for 30 seconds each leg.
We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know.
That's a great stretch. Now let's switch legs.
Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright.
Thank you so much for stretching with me, and keep an eye out for more videos.